In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate voice mode in Grok. By the end, you'll be speaking to Grok hands-free and getting spoken responses back, quickly and reliably. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. A modern browser and a stable internet connection will make the experience smoother, especially when streaming audio. In the Google search bar, type Grok. You should see the official Grok site appear near the top of the results. Look for the official branding and domain to make sure you're on the right page, then click through to the Grok website. Once you're on the site, give the page a moment to load. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in the interface. If not, you may be prompted to sign in before continuing. After you're in, look to the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Voice. Click Voice to open the voice interface. On smaller screens, that panel might be collapsed into a menu icon, so expand it if you don't see voice immediately. You'll notice a brief connecting state. This is normal. Grok is setting up the audio session. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone, be sure to allow it. Without mic access, voice mode can't start. If you have multiple input devices connected, like a webcam mic and a headset, select the one you prefer in your browser or system sound settings for clearer audio. It can help to close other apps that are using your microphone to prevent conflicts. While it's connecting, watch for indicators that show the status progressing from connecting to ready. If it takes longer than expected, try refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, or toggling the voice option off and on again. Keeping your browser updated also helps avoid permission or device issues. When voice mode shows that it's ready, start talking. Speak naturally into your microphone, and Grok will listen and respond. You'll often see a visual cue, like a waveform or a listening indicator, to confirm it's picking up your voice. Some interfaces let you choose a voice or personality after the mic is enabled, so feel free to pick the one that suits your preference. For best results, speak clearly, keep the microphone a short distance from your mouth, and minimize background noise. If the response seems off, try a simple test prompt first to confirm your audio is coming through well. That's it. You went to Google, found Grok, opened the site, clicked Voice on the left panel, waited for it to connect, and started talking. Enjoy using Grok in voice mode.